So you have these weeds growing on the edges of your property, all the way along the edges, and they keep growing no matter what you do. Yes, they will. So first, you need to get rid of them, and second, you need to patch all these cracks. And today, I'm going to show you first how to get rid of them. What you see here is actually maybe 1/10 of what used to be. Here on the corner used to be huge weed. And what happened is I used non-selective herbicide like Roundup to kill all of these weeds twice, and yet they keep growing. So first, what we're gonna do here to eliminate their growth, we're gonna remove the soil and everything where they can potentially grow and spread their roots. So today we're gonna just remove the soil and potentially remove all the top parts, and later on it's gonna be another video. We're gonna be adding patch of asphalt all around this edge of this house. I keep promoting this ice scraper, but honestly, it's one of the best hand tools that I could find to to battle with these kind of issues. It's sharp enough. It's not that like super sharp, but it's sharp enough to remove the top layer of the dirt of the soil. So that's what we're gonna start doing. We're just gonna remove everything that we can take off from here. And these weeds, they really have strong roots. Now that's how it looks. Now let's move to the areas where we have more dirt, like there. Now here we can find that there is actual a layer of dirt, probably 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches closer. Here we just want to remove all the dirt, and then eventually the layer of asphalt will go here. Now we just shovel it off to the wheelbarrow we have handy. And as you can see here, we removed potentially a good layer of soil that will be very helpful for weeds to grow. And this is how you can remove more than 50% of unwanted vegetation growing along your property. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. And don't forget to watch the next videos where I'm gonna be showing how to how to prepare and put the asphalt along the house to make the grading and to avoid any weeds or unwanted vegetations to continue growing along your property.